Good morning, student. In the last section of acid, base and salt, we studied about the properties of acid. Among the properties of acid, we studied its physical properties as well as chemical properties. Today we will study about the properties of base, and among the properties of base, today also we will study its physical properties and physical properties of base as well as the chemical properties. So we come to the physical properties. Physical properties, among the physical properties, first is bases are bitter in taste. इसका टेस्ट हमेशा बिटर होगा. सेकंड इज basis converts a red litmus to blue. And the third is basis releases hydroxide ion in aqueous solution. Fourth is basis conducts electricity in aqueous solution. So here we see that generally there are four properties of physical properties of base. First is bases are bitter in taste, उसका टेस्ट बिटर होता है. सेकंड है कि बेसिस जो है वो रेड लिटमस को ब्लू में कन्वर्ट करता है. बेसिस रिलीजेस हाइड्रोक्साइड आयन इन एक्वस सॉल्यूशन. एक्वस सॉल्यूशन में हमेशा हाइड्रोक्साइड आयन OH माइनस रिलीज करेगा. एंड बेसिस कंडक्ट्स इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इन द एक्वस सॉल्यूशन. You might be remembering that in acid, in the physical properties of acid, the fourth point was basis conduct electricity in acid conducts electricity in the aqueous solution. And in the physical properties of base is also that bases conduct electricity in aqueous solution. It means that this property is common in both acid as well as base. Now here we comes to the chemical properties. In the chemical properties, first is the reaction of base with acid, and you might be remembering the reaction of base and acid is called neutralization reaction. For example, we take potassium hydroxide. Potassium hydroxide is a base. Then we take sulfuric acid, H2SO4. What will happen? It will form a salt, K2SO4, and plus it will release water. So we see over here that when base reacts with acid or when acid reacts with base, it always forms salt and water. Such reaction is called neutralization reaction. Now the second is reaction of acidic oxide with base. Suppose that we take a base, sodium hydroxide, and we take acidic oxide. Acidic oxide is the non-metallic oxide. Suppose that carbon dioxide. What will it form? It will form a salt, sodium carbonate, along with water. So when acidic oxide is a non-metallic oxide, we can also say it is a type of acid. And base, when acid reacts with base, it always forms salt and water. Now the third is reaction of base with ammonium salt. Suppose that we take a base, sodium hydroxide, ammonium salt. Suppose that ammonium chloride is a type of ammonium salt. It will form what? It will form salt, ammonium salt, ammonia, and then it will form water. So first of all, salt, NaCl, salt, then again it will form water. We will balance it afterwards. Water, and then ammonia, NH3. Now we see it is balanced or not. Is it a balanced chemical equation? I am seeing over here that all the components over here on the left hand side and the right hand side are balanced. So what happens when a base reacts with ammonium salt? किसी भी अमोनियम सॉल्ट के साथ अगर हम बेस को रिएक्ट करवाएंगे तो दो चीज तो कंपलसरी फॉर्म करेगा. फर्स्ट विल बी अमोनिया एंड द सेकंड विल बी वाटर, एंड थर्ड कंपोनेंट विल बी, थर्ड प्रोडक्ट विल बी द सॉल्ट ऑफ metal. Now the fourth reaction, a reaction of base with a metal. Suppose that we take a base sodium hydroxide, and we take a metal, suppose that zinc. What will happen when a base reacts with metal? As we saw in the acid reaction, when acid reacts with a metal, what it forms? It forms salt and releases hydrogen gas. Similarly, here also, when base reacts with metal, it will form a salt. Here the sodium hydroxide reacts with zinc to form sodium zincate, Na2ZnO2, and along with it will release hydrogen gas. So in the chemical properties of base, here we studied about the four properties. First was the reaction of base with acid. What happens when a base reacts with acid? It forms salt and water. Reaction of acidic oxide with base, it also forms salt and water. What happens when base reacts with ammonium salt? It forms salt, water and ammonia. And in the fourth, we studied the reaction of base with metal. What happens when a base reacts with metal? It forms metallic salt along with hydrogen gas.